start in a few moments with your queries on the form which I have received so that you can have. Jaiprakash ji, anything you want to share?
Okay, sir, it's okay.
It's okay. So can I
Yeah,
mute you otherwise if you don't want to share
yeah,
anything?
please go ahead.
Okay, how was it? Did you go through the meditations and the
Yeah.
assignments?
Yes, yes.
How was it?
Fine, good.
Fine, good.
Yes. Would like
So how
to.
many of how many you can type in the chat box if you really liked the meditations? Type yes in the chat box if you loved the meditations. Yes, Arunji, thank you so much. Type yes in the chat box. I absolutely loved it. Arunji is saying I absolutely loved it. Ashwani ji, yes. Awesome experience, Nehalji. Thank you so much. Yes. And how many of you did how many of you have started? Type yes in the chat. If type 1 in the chat box if you have done the meditations. Shalakha ji, can you please stop presenting your screen? It's very. Yes. Type 1 in the chat box if you've done the assignments and the yes, the assignments also. Yes, if you've done the assignments. Yeah. So also you can share, did you get any insights from your writing your beliefs? Type yes in the chat box if you really found out, hey, it's so beautiful that you were able to really get that in while doing the meditation and the belief system that you wrote about yourself. Yes, Shalaka, Ishwarya Nayaji. Wow. Anyone would like to share their experience or anyone wants to ask anything? Yashi, beautiful. How was your experience about belief system? How did you like the AAD technology? Does it make sense? Type yes in the chat box if AAD technology is something you really you got that. Oh yeah, it is so amazing. Yeah. Yes. The AAD technology. Type yes in the chat box if you loved the AAD technology and you could understand. Wow. Yes, absolutely. Yeah, wow. Great. Good, Tom. It is so simple, guys. Become aware of your beliefs, what are there, acknowledge them, and deliberately create whatever you want to create. Because we are negative people. हमारा जो माइंड है वो हमेशा नेगेटिव ही सोचता है because it has to survive. Survival is a game of negative thinking. Survival is a game of negative thinking. So if you want to play a bigger game, you have to deliberately create amazing beliefs which are aligned to your vision. हिंदी में भी बात करूंगा, इंग्लिश में भी बात करूंगा so that everyone is comfortable. Technology is good. शिखा जी, thank you so much. So life हमारी ऐसी ही चल रही है. अगर हम जो हो रहा है वो होता जाएगा. How many of you guys are ready to create your lives on your terms? Type I am if you are ready to do that. Type I am. Yes. In your own terms, what you want to create. I would like to acknowledge every one of you. First of all, I want to acknowledge you and appreciate you for taking this decision to move forward, to create your life for yourself. This is not a game of weak-hearted people who don't want to work, people who are just are satisfied for whatever they have. They are chilled out, okay? They are complaining, victims, okay? तो हो गया मेरे साथ ऐसा ही होगा, मेरी किस्मत ऐसी ही है, this is my luck, this is who I am, I can't help it. This game is for people who want to get life in their own hands and create in all areas of their life. Today we did our first assignment. So that was my acknowledgement to you, that you have taken this decision for yourself. You trusted yourself. You didn't trust me. You don't know me, guys. You don't know anything else. You trusted yourself. It is your stand for yourself to create an extraordinary life, that you are here. And I want to acknowledge you for that. So now I am going to share with you your queries. Anyone wants to ask anything about meditation or assignments, please go ahead before I take on your queries from the Google Forms. Beautiful, guys. I'm so Prabha ji, namaskar, Shalakha ji, Uday ji, Arun ji. Creative visualization. What about Ankit ji? What about creative visualization? What do you want to ask about creative visualization? You can. I cannot hear you guys. You have to turn on your mic from your phone to speak up. So Ankit Jain, what do you mean by Arun ji? You want to ask anything? So guys, what I want from you is your commitment to participate in this assignment, in this meditation. Participate fully. मैं इतना आसान बना दूंगा आपके लिए. I will share with you this technology. If you practice that, it will become so easy for you to manifest whatever you want in your life. But what is required from you is your participation, your commitment. I will go through it. If you like it, I will then share with you the journey forward. And it is absolutely your choice. But I invite you, for you have invested your time, you have invested your money, you have invested your energy into it. Participate in it. So Ankit Jain was asking it to make my rest of my life the best part of my life. Yes, Ankit, this is my commitment to all of you. I will give you so much clarity of what you want to create in your life and how to do that without chasing it. Without chasing it. The whole process is inside of us, inside of our mind, inside of our being. I will share with you. I will also take you along with me to the journey forward. Not only 7 days, I will also share with you how you can continue this journey with me and create extraordinary life in all the 10 areas of your life: your career, your relationships, your finances, your love life, your parenting, your emotions, your intellect, your life vision, and your life purpose. The journey forward is not about one area. We will cover this in all the 10 areas of our life when we move forward. But right now, in next 5 days, I want you to give your 100% in practicing these skills of becoming aware of your beliefs to start with. So let's come on to the questions. Rukmini ji, namaskar. आप कुछ पूछना चाहती हैं? No, then I can turn off your mic if you don't want to ask. So, sir, I guess you're okay. Meditation में मुझे नींद क्यों आ जाती है? Please answer. Yeah. नेहल जी, आप मेडिटेशन तब क्यों कर रहे हैं जब आपको नींद आ रही है? भाई, it is a very important. This meditation is not for relaxation. It is for you to become aware of your thoughts, become aware of your breath, become aware of your beliefs. Meditation, नींद आती है तो acknowledge it. अच्छा मुझे नींद आ रही है, लेकिन but I want to meditate now, but I'm listening to it right now. And then watch it. Watch the sensations which are bringing you this नींद. तो आप तब मेडिटेशन करिए जब आप फ्रेश हो, ना कि जब आपको रिलैक्स करना. आपको मुझे नहीं, इट शुड बी लाइक आप खाना खाते हैं, इट इज अ स्पेशल टाइम फॉर यू टू ईट. सो make a special time for you to meditate when you are fresh, because that is important for you. This aspect is going to transform your life. तब ध्यान करिए जब आप फ्रेश हो. Got it, Nehal ji? Any you want to ask anything? Yes, great. Yes, yes sir. I just want to make my rest of my life to be the best part of my life by visualizing on daily basis. Shukriya. Ankit Jain ji, I assure you, this is my commitment to you. If you continue this, practicing this, these 4 skills I will share with you. The 4 skills, if you keep on practicing it, you just need to practice, not even become perfect in it. I am not telling you to become perfect in this. We will, these 4, every day I will share one skill for you to practice. If you practice these 4 skills, I assure you the rest of your life is going to be the best life you will ever have. Shikha ji पूछ रही है, sir, firstly we should focus on one area of life or we can focus on many things like I have. No Shikha ji. So ये क्वेश्चन किस किस का है कि यार एक एरिया पे करें कि 2 एरिया पे करें कि 3 एरिया पे करें. So how many of you have the same question? Parthashri, my. Yes, अरुण जी का भी सेम है, प्रथेश जी का भी है. Yes, I want to tell. Yes, so सब के लिए guys, in next 5 days just practice one area. Okay, just practice which area is very important to you right now. Pick up that area. So शशि जी आपके लिए भी है, ठीक है ना? Everyone, okay, pick one area which is very important to you right now and practice this skill in that area. Then on Friday evening session, I will share with you the next 10 areas how we will continue this practice and practice in one area. Right now, I just want you to practice. After that, in the next journey forward, I will assist you in your practice. Right now, I am assisting you. I have created a very beautiful structure for you. Then in the next journey, we will go into more details. Okay, but right now, because if I tell you everything right now, you will be like, okay, yaar, sab kuch आसानी से मिल रहा है. We only chase things which we can put our effort into. This is not, guys, again, one more thing which I want to share. This is not a knowledge workshop. This is not a knowledge course or an information course. There are a lot of other courses which are based on knowledge and information. This is a workshop where I give you a certain set of things to do and you practice that. You develop your muscle in that space. Okay. So are you okay in working on yourself and your life? Then only continue. Otherwise, if you're looking for some kind of information or knowledge, you are in a wrong workshop. Okay. So negativity. So मैं इसके बारे में. Okay, got that, guys? Only one area, practice in one area. Once you become perfect in that, and then we will move on to it. Right now, pick the most important area of your life. Without attached to anything, we can create the bliss in all part of it. Yes, Ankit ji, yes. Without getting attached, I will teach you how to. Because meditation, being aware of who you are, what you want to be do. Yeah, be a courageous, strong personality is my need. Yes. So, yeah, we will have everything, but we will not need anything. That is the mantra of having a successful life. We will create everything. We will have everything in our lives. Successful job, career, abundance of money, a beautiful relationships. And it is possible, guys. I'm living that life. Okay. Yes, without attachment. Okay, so I think Arun ji ka bhi answer in my mind also same. Sinmoy Saikia ji, I hope I've answered your question. It's difficult to concentrate on breath. You want to go out? Just hold on. My dog is sitting with me. He wants to go out of the room. Just excuse. Yeah. Okay. Excuse me. Thank you so much, guys. It's difficult to concentrate on breath as after few. Samir ji, मैं इसके ऊपर आ रहा हूँ. समीर जी का क्वेश्चन है concentrate on breath. I want to develop a new skill which I cherish. Mine also. किस किस का ये query है कि that is difficult for them to concentrate and focus? Type yes in the chat box if you have this query. That meditation is, I have so many thoughts. Shiva, Akanksha ji. Yeah, Ashwin ji, difficult to, yes. Great, guys. I completely get that. यार ध्यान ही नहीं होता है. So how many of, so now I want you to answer this question. How many of you are doing the meditation for the first time? Type me in the chat box if you are meditating for the first time. Type me in the chat box. Prabha ji, Nehal ji, Nishan ji, me, beautiful. Yes, Sinmaya ji, I got that. A lot of thoughts. So guys, every one of you, I'm going to share with you what is meditation, first of all. Okay. Meditation has nothing. I've been doing for quite some time. Arun ji got that. Okay. Mostly guided. Guys who have this query about thoughts and about focus, about concentration. Guys, meditation has nothing to do with focus and concentration. Okay? Meditation, I will repeat it again. Meditation has absolutely nothing to do with focus and concentration. Focus and what is focus and concentration? You think about something, you think about an image, you think about a symbol, you think about a certain thought, and you bring all your attention to that thought or that image or that space. That is called focus or concentration. And concentration is you put an image in front of you and you are just doing that. Okay, you just doing that point of time. So what is meditation? Meditation is becoming aware of your thoughts. The practice of becoming aware. You're sitting and meditating and you're listening to the audio. Okay, you're listening to the meditation. Okay, so now after some time you realize that your mind has gone to the past. Now what happens is when you're practicing it, you become aware. Okay, my mind is in the past. You become aware and bring it back to the audio which you are listening. And then after some time, after a few seconds, again your mind will go in the future in planning. So, your monkey mind, you'll go and it will roll on in the future, it will plan, and then you become aware. And immediately after some time, you become aware, oh, my mind has gone, it is planning something else. You bring it back, gently bring it back to the present moment. Okay. And then after some time, your mind has gone, become aware and bring it back. This practice is called meditation. You will realize that in 15-20 minutes of meditation, you only listen to the audio for 1 minute or hardly a minute. And it is okay. Guys, make sense? Got it? This practice of going and bringing it back, going and bringing it back, going and bringing it back, going and bringing it back. The two things which you have to keep in mind, guys, very important. First of all, be gentle with yourself. There's nothing wrong with that. Don't get into understanding mein kyun ho raha hai, kaise ho raha hai. So, and do not judge yourself. अपने आप को जज मत करिए कि यार मेरे से ध्यान ही नहीं लगता, मेरे से होता ही नहीं है, मैं 1 घंटा ध्यान करता हूं, मैं हमेशा थॉट्स में ही रहता हूं. तो it is perfectly fine. Be gentle with yourself and do not judge yourself. It is just a छोटा सा बच्चा. Consider your mind as a small, very little baby. वो थोड़ी देर बाद कुछ इधर उधर हाथ में, उसको बस रिलैक्स करके उसको वापस ले आना कि आ जाओ. यस समीर जी, वेरी गुड. दिस इज, एंड बाकी सब नॉलेज है. एवरीथिंग इन द वर्ल्ड इज टेलिंग यू ओके मेडिटेशन ये है वो है, बट इट इज एज सिंपल एज दैट. इट इज गॉन, bring it back. It is gone, bring it back. Without, very gently, without judging yourself. अपने आप मैं आई टोटली एग्री विद यू कि आप 15 मिनट के लिए ध्यान करेंगे, आप सिर्फ, आप बिल्कुल भी मन होगा नहीं उसके साथ, तो इट इज ओके. द पॉइंट इज नॉट कि आपका मन प्रेजेंट में था कि नहीं है. द पॉइंट इज दैट डिड यू प्रैक्टिस और नॉट, बिकॉज इट विल इवेंचुअली कम विद प्रैक्टिस. सो गाइस, blessed by your vision. Thank you, Ankit ji. So this is the whole fundamental of meditation, and there is no knowledge for it. And guys, what we are going to learn, it doesn't require intelligence, it doesn't require smartness, it doesn't require genes, it doesn't require circumstances. Anyone can create anything in their lives. This is the power of what you're going to learn. Ankit ji, thank you so much. So now I will all anything else, anyone else, because I want to jump into your questions around. I want to learn how to maintain balance. Ankit Jain, the balance will come from your practice. Okay? You don't worry. We cannot create a balance by creating balance. We create a balance within ourselves once we keep on practicing. And trust me, you don't have to be perfect in it. It is a practice. Once you start practicing, the balance of emotions, intellect, life will automatically start pouring in your life. Arun ji, you're welcome. I am too emotional. I will cry for small things. How can I? Parveen ji, first of all, crying is not bad. Okay, we have been taught that we shouldn't cry. Parveen ji, I encourage. I cry a lot. Okay, it's okay to cry. When you हमने देखा ना छोटे छोटे बच्चों को, उनको what would you prefer कि आपको कुछ चीज अच्छी नहीं लगी, आप उसको अंदर दबा के, उसको रख के, उसको दबाएंगे कि उसको एक्सप्रेस करेंगे. Guys, what do you prefer? Would you prefer one of suppressing your emotions, or two to express your emotions? Type 1 in the chat box or 2 in the chat. Would you want to express that, or you want to suppress it? Akanksha ji, very good. 2. Ashwarya Narji, if you want to suppress it, it will impact your life with expressing it. Okay. So expression, this meditation, this is all about expression. How to have that platform where you can express it. Suppression creates a lot of disturbance in your life, health issues, depression, your relationships going bad. This is all because of you have suppressed what you wanted to say, what you wanted to create, what you wanted to feel. You have suppressed those emotions. So suppression, it creates a lot of chaos in your life, and you do not understand how things are happening in your life. So expression, we will go into the world of expression. As we move forward in this journey, I will give you amazing meditation techniques to express without expressing. Okay, that's something we express in a very healthy way. How to control. There's nothing you can control, Shiva. There's nothing that you can. All you can do is become aware of it. I will share with you techniques how to express yourself, but that will be our advanced journey when we move forward. There's a lot of negativity around me. Like when I say yes, this can be done, it's possible, man. So guys, how many of you people are dealing with negativity? Type yes in the chat box. Type yes in chat box. भी बहुत negativity है, बहुत negativity है. ये सब जगह negative है. Negativity. Beautiful, guys. Sometimes I feel. So guys, do you understand? 90% of the people here are negative. Everyone, in fact, 100. That's what I shared in the video. That's what I shared in the, if you've gone through the video, we are negative people. This is not something which I say. This you can see the psychology, the scientists and the psychologists. If you see our history of our ancestors, of people, Shikhaji, we are negative people. It is not we are surrounded by negative. We are negative people. Okay. So use the AAD technology to create positivity in your life. What you can do is, or when you start deliberately create positivity in your life. So I will explain to you AAD technology once again, guys. I will again explain to you. You become aware, you're writing your beliefs. I am not good in this. Money is very hard to earn. My wife is like this. My husband is like this. My career is, my boss is like this. These are all negative things. These are all negative which you become aware. So becoming aware of your beliefs. Okay, this is what I have. The second part is acknowledging it. There's nothing wrong or bad about it. Being negative is not wrong. Guys, it is because of that negativity, of that space which you created, you are surviving in this world. That's your survival mechanism. Because you wanted to protect yourself against people, against the hurt, against the scars, against the miseries around your life. So you wanted to protect yourself. You don't want to go out and get hurt. You want to survive in this world. So you created those belief patterns which are aligned, which you have right now. And it is okay to have. Whatever you have today, whoever you are today is because of your negative beliefs which you have. Of negative and positive both. Okay, I'm not saying negative or positive. Because of your beliefs which you have. Now, so guys, listen to this very carefully. If you want to continue your life the same way, if you want to have the same results in your life, the same relationship, the same circumstances, you are welcome to accept your beliefs and carry on this journey. Okay, and there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, you will have the same results, the same lives, the same circumstances. But what I get from you is, because you have come in this workshop, you want to change your life. You want to transform your life. Okay, I assume that's why you are here. So now, if you want to transform your life, the first thing you have to transform is your beliefs. Your beliefs are your seeds which you have sown on the fertile soil of your subconscious mind. आपने वो बीज लगाए हैं अपनी सबकॉन्शियस माइंड पे, जो आपको जिंदगी जो है वो दे रहे हैं. अगर आपने कुछ डिफरेंट रिजल्ट्स क्रिएट करना है, कोई डिफरेंट ट्रांसफॉर्म करना अपनी जिंदगी को, तो पहला स्टेप ये है कि आप अपने बिलीव्स को ट्रांसफॉर्म करें. Okay, guys, type yes in the chat box if you got that AD technology. Deliberately create positivity. Deliberately create whatever you want in your life. Yes, so negative, positive is clear, I suppose. Sir, can we use this technique on behalf of someone else? No, Arunji, use it for yourself first. जब आप अपने लिए use करेंगे, then you can share it with others. Not negative, but sometimes we cannot tolerate expression of others, however the intentions are pure. वो एक ही बात है. Inside negative, why outside also the same? How to strong inside myself? Shiva, deliberately. There is no easy way out. We have to deliberately create that strength inside of us. There is no, if somebody says no knowledge, no understanding can bring you that strength, that positive inside you. You have to deliberately create that. You have, so मैं example देता हूँ. So my wife was, she said, well, we have a servants at our home. So my wife was cooking food, cooking some uh, laddus for me. Okay, for not for me. She said I wanted to exercise and I made these laddus. And she said, okay, then, but for me, I could have accepted that, but I created. Ki you realized that I wanted to eat them and you made it specially for me. That is what I want to create. So that is a deliberation, deliberately creating positivity in your life, in every aspect of your life. So either I could have chosen her words, okay, तुमने एक्सरसाइज करनी थी इसलिए तुमने लड्डू बना दिए, ओके, दैट इज वन थिंग नाउ. बट आई दैट इज फॉर यू टू से, बट आई व्हाट आई थिंक इज कि तुमने इसीलिए बनाए हैं क्योंकि यू वांटेड फॉर मी टू हैव इट, टू यू वांटेड मी टू टेस्ट तुम्हारे हाथ के लड्डू. तो गाइस, मेक सेंस? टाइप यस इन द चैट बॉक्स. This is how you deliberately create positivity in your life. Great, guys. Great. Otherwise, life is already there, guys. Circumstances, लोग तो वैसे ही हैं. आपको, you have to create, you have to change your perspective around you, what you want to create in your life. Okay, so next question. Sir, how to be happy when your surroundings doesn't support you? How to not get affected by surroundings? प्राची जी, मैं बार बार हम वहीं पे आ जाते हैं कि हाउ टू क्रिएट पॉजिटिविटी. इट इज अबाउट यू क्रिएटिंग पॉजिटिविटी बाय ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग योर बिलीफ सिस्टम. आज आपने बिलीफ, प्राची जी, आर यू देयर? इफ यू वांट टू, गाइस, इफ यू वांट टू, anybody wants to speak anything, I can work with them, and otherwise I'll just. प्राची जी, do you get it? मैंने जो AAD टेक्नोलॉजी शेयर की है, no matter what the circumstances तो वैसे रहेंगे. आप, you want to surrender yourself to the circumstances, or you want to create your life? That is what is important. So I can share, if you want to share your examples, I can share that. So guys, now I will go to your queries in the, okay, so who do we have? Saurabh Jyoti ji asking, I want to develop, so I will not share the name, develop a very positive environment within me, my surroundings. Just hold on. Want to bring out the best in work, want to take care of my family. Saurabh ji, आप हैं? आप अगर, yeah, just let me see. सौरभ जी, अभी हमने वही शेयर किया. If you're not there, yeah, it's not there. It is you creating, using the AAD technology to create that positivity in your life, bringing the life in your hands. That I will create, I will change my beliefs, and tomorrow and day after tomorrow we'll learn, we'll go deep into, we will learn 3 more skills to carry this journey forward. Okay, so next is how can I ease the flow of money into my life? So Shalakha ji, use this technology to create on your money area of your life. Okay, and then we will discuss on Friday how to take it forward. Okay, Shalakha ji, type yes in the chat box if you are okay. So thanks. How to get rid of negativity? So yes, and feeling insecure, others about blame due to something. Yeah. So I think I've answered this question very well. How to get rid of negative thoughts. Yeah. You're doing a wonderful job. I want to be always with you in my life. Vardhali, I love you too. You're most welcome. I am with you always. It is not about you. I am with you always. Sandeep Sudhamji, I am with you always. How walk confident and fearless in the profession and personal life? Shankaracharya ji, इस 5 days journey में आप इसको practice करिए. Create a positive belief in your life and deliberately use it in your life. So Rajiv ji का question है, I want to be, will I succeed? Is my journey risk-free? There will be challenges, Rajiv ji. No life is without challenges. But If you learn this, if you practice this technology, I assure you one thing: no matter what challenges you face, if you continue this journey with me, if you work and practice this technology with me, you can deal with anything in your life in a very empowered way. I will tell you how to use this technology in all the 10 areas of your life and then support you all the way. Please guide me to rediscover myself, to become a quality guru and much sought after thought leader, and thereby earn more. Yes, Raviji, use this next 5 days. We will work on this area. You can pick this area of your life and do the assignments with full, with give you 100% into it, and then we will talk. We will also have, guys, we will also have a session on Wednesday 8 p.m. and on Friday, and the next session we will have a live meditation on Sunday morning. So every other day we are meeting to create a wonderful stuff. Please guide me in the workshop if possible personally to get through the manifestation project. I will make best relationship with my yes. Pick this area, practice this area. So guys, whatever your areas you have picked, use this technology, and then we will work on Friday how we can use it in all the 10 areas of your life. This technology is enough. These 4 skills are enough to create anything in your life. But be honest with yourself. So guys, मैं एक चीज बहुत शेयर करना चाहता हूँ आप लोगों से. Be honest when you are writing your beliefs. Be honest. जो भी गंद निकल रहा है, जो भी विचार निकल रहे हैं, जो भी बिलीफ सिस्टम नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव पाप पुण्य मत सोचिएगा. It is, if you want to keep it in private, write them in private. It is okay. But do not think that please be honest with yourself when you are writing all this. So today I was late from tomorrow. It's okay. You can do the session anytime. It's a nice session, and hoping by that it will make me improving yourself. It all, Akanksha ji, it all depends upon you. How to change yourself. This is how we change, step by step. We change, first of all, how to change ourselves by changing our beliefs. Guys, change. How many of you guys are looking to change yourself? Type yes in the chat box. Yes. Very much. So change. Every one of you. तो चेंज हम बाहर बाद में होगा. पहले जो सबसे पहला चेंज होता है, हमने जो सीड्स लगाए हुए हैं, the seeds which we have sown, our life, the outcome of our life, whatever we are going through in our life, is because of our belief system. The first change which is going to happen is in our belief system, guys. Agar we will plant seeds of positivity, of empowerment, of oneness in relationship, of confidence, of love, then we will have those results, those changes in our life. Guys, make sense? First step is to transform your belief system, transform your seeds. अगर आप आम खाना चाहते हैं तो आप आम के बीज लगाएंगे. अगर आप प्यार जिंदगी में चाहते हैं तो आपके बिलीव्स जो होंगे वो प्यार वाले होंगे, दैट आई एम लव. अगर आप जिंदगी में रिलेशनशिप में एम्पावरमेंट चाहते हैं, then you will create that I am one in my relationship. These are the seeds which you have to sow. Next is no question. Yes. Need more money to build schools, hospitals for needy people. Parthisha ji, yes, it is absolutely possible. Work on this area and then we'll take it forward. Reason for block and any carry after giving a lot of effort. Lakshmi ji, you have to find the blocks. It might be your belief system. आपने आज अपने these are your beliefs. You written, I am honest, but I am hardworking, but I face a lot of hardship and blocks. So this is your belief systems. Your blocks can also be challenges for you to learn and move forward. लक्ष्मी जी, आप हैं क्या? Okay, if you're not there, you can go through the recording. No problems. Okay. So very soon my mood got changed into negative thoughts, especially for office. Yes, Shadab जी, नेगेटिविटी तो आएगी. शदाब जी, आपको क्वेश्चन का आंसर मिल गया होगा नेगेटिविटी का. टाइप यस इन द चैट बॉक्स. शदाब जी, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. डेलिब्रेटली गाइस, मैं आगे अगेन अगेन स्ट्रेस कर रहा हूँ. डेलिब्रेशन, AAD टेक्नोलॉजी, awareness that you are negative, acknowledge, okay, it is okay to be negative, it is what it is, I am because of these thoughts, and then deliberately, I am a very positive person, I want to create this, and create positive beliefs in your life. What is the next query? How to focus train? Yes, फिर जयप्रकाश जी, ट्रेन, फोकस, कॉन्सेंट्रेट, ये आपको पता चल गया. वॉट एवर यू डूइंग, ब्रिंग इट बैक. डूइंग, ब्रिंग इट बैक. वेयर यू गॉन, ब्रिंग इट बैक. ब्रिंग इट बैक. क्या बिलीफ से सब कुछ मिल सकता है इन पॉजिटिव? यस शिवा, इट ऑल स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम बिलीव्स. शिवा, यू अब ये सेशन किया हमने. आई थिंक यू गॉट योर आंसर. आर यू देयर? No, he's not there. Okay. So if you go through the session, you will get this answer. It's hard to feed my mind that I am rich. Manjunath ji, if it is hard for you, तो ये तो चेंज तो शुरू में डिफिकल्टी होगा, क्योंकि हमारे I've tried many information. So guys, how many of you think it is hard? Type yes in the chat box. It is hard. Yes, Akanksha ji, Uday ji. Yes, I feel hard. Yeah, it is perfectly fine. Guys, it is hard because we are used to our old patterns. हमारा our mind is okay with our miseries. अपने दुख जो है ना अभी, उसमें खुश है वो. उसको कुछ नया नहीं करना है, क्योंकि चेंज से डर लगता है माइंड को. द माइंड कैन नॉट, यार ये तो उतना ही दुख देगा, यार ये बंदा तो इतना ही दुख दे सकता है. नाउ आई नो, यू नो योर पेन्स, यू नो योर मिजरीज, यू आर यूज्ड टू योर दुख, अनहैप्पीनेस. Your mind is used to that. And when something positive comes in your life, when you get an effort to do something positive, your mind is the first one to resist that. Because it is scared. It is scared of change. Change is hard in the start. It is messy in the middle. But the transformation is amazing at the end. So this thing is so true. If we change our belief system, we can spread positive vibes in our surrounding. And by doing this, we are making our surrounding full of positivity. And yes, it all starts with the belief systems, Nayanji and every one of you. I have given you an amazing, और इसके अलावा कोई तुम जितनी मर्जी किताबें पढ़ लो, it will जितना मर्जी understand कर लो, but until unless you first is becoming aware of what is your old belief system, एंड फिर उसको सप्रेस नहीं करना है. गाइस क्या करते हैं, पहले तो हम देखते हैं यार नेगेटिविटी है, मेरे को नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को नहीं चाहिए, ये साला ये जिंदगी खराब कर रही है, ये जिंदगी, आई डोंट वांट नेगेटिविटी, आई डोंट. फिर हम इसको बर्बाद कर देते हैं. वी क्रिएट अनदर थिंग कि इसको रेजिस्ट करके. और तीसरा, हम चाहते हैं पॉजिटिविटी मिले, लेकिन यार मैं नेगेटिव हूँ. सो गाइस, टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. This is a very simple technology. Becoming aware. Write down. Become aware. When you meditate, you will become aware. क्या negative क्या है negative? क्या मन में इस relationship में क्या negative है? मेरी job में क्या negative है? क्यों मुझे ये नहीं मिल पा रहा है? Go inside of yourself. कि अगर रिलेशनशिप में दिक्कत है, अगर मेरे करियर में दिक्कत है, अगर मेरा बॉस मेरे से खुश नहीं है, तो what is it that I believe? What is it that is creating this situation? What are my beliefs? Become aware of that. Second, acknowledge it. There's nothing wrong about it, guys. दूसरा उसको सप्रेस नहीं, यार मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए, मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए. हाँ, वो अब है, तुम you can't do anything about it. अब वो है. Acknowledge it कि यार थैंक यू सो मच कि तुम्हारी वजह से मैं सरवाइव कर रहा हूं. अभी जो है मेरे पास तुम्हारी वजह से है. But and third is deliberately create positivity. But now I want to have a very beautiful relationship with my wife. I am at peace. I love my job. I want to create amazing results in my career. I want to create amazing. Money is so easy. It flows to me. I get so many opportunities. Deliberately create positivity in your life. So yes, Prachi sir, I want to build my career, but I have to give my time to my 6 hours. Prachi ji, ये अभी आप एक एरिया में फोकस करिए. On Friday, when you move with this, when you take this journey forward with me, मैं आपके हर एरिया के अंदर घुस, हम we will work on every area of your life. Every area of your life. I will share with you how you can do it in less than an hour. Or every day, 15-20 minutes of practice is enough. Rachit, you got that. Work on your career area. I want to control anger shorter. There's Jor Singh ji, there's nothing wrong with anger. Okay, first of all, we need to channelize that energy, and we will learn how to do it. We will practice of meditation. Okay, right now, guys, Shiva, work on your career. Use this technology in your career and money. We will go into details when you move forward in this journey. Right now, just practice these skills. So this journey is all about practicing the skill of BBPS. Tomorrow we will practice another skill. Third day we'll practice another skill, and fourth day we'll practice another skill. So guys, thank you so much for an amazing session. It was nice talking to you. What I want to again acknowledge every one of you. It takes a lot of courage to create your own life, to take your life in your own hands and say, I am responsible for my life. I am, and whatever I want to do, whatever will happen in my life is my responsibility. So guys, you want to come on mic and share anything, you are most welcome to. Or let's call off this meeting in case you have nothing else, because I have answered most of the cases. I've tried many. So Thilakaji, I've tried many of even it doesn't seem to work. This is a solution. Belief system. Sitaka, ye fourth. What is your name first of all? Sanket. Sanket, are you there? Type yes in the chat.
Yeah.
Sanket, yes. What is your query?
Yeah, I've tried all these belief systems and positive thinking, but nothing gets etched in the subconscious.
I am not able to make out what you're saying. Are you talking to me?
Yes.
Sanket, because affirmations don't work, because we are just working on affirmations. We do not acknowledge our beliefs. We have to work on our beliefs. Tomorrow, you'll learn more things about how to do it forward. You'll learn 3 more skills. Affirmation is not the only thing which you have to work on. So guys, thank you so much for an amazing, amazing conversation which we had, and anything else. We will go deep into meditations. I will share with you a lot of techniques in the journey forward. When you come with me forward, and amazing, beautiful techniques, how to just empty your mind and create amazing results in your life, and how to fast track this. But the first is you need to practice it and understand it, what this technology is all about. Have confidence in this technique, trust this technique, because when we start using it, it will create magic in your life. At any point of time, whatever you want to create, whatever you want to shift your life into, it will be happen. So guys, I've been speaking for the last 1 hour and I'm tired. It's a great start, and then Thank you.
Just one short question, please. Actually, I late joined myself with Shivashish.
Shivasis, go ahead.
Yeah. Actually, the question is actually is because you have given the assignment. Already, I've filled up that form and I've submitted.
Yeah, yeah.
Just one query. Yeah, just one query about that. So there you have to for today's assignment you have told that just I we need to choose one area and based on that area just we need to
Yes.
whatever the belief system has been there. So just need to give the input on top of that. So
Yes.
out of the total list just against one things just I put the I put my beliefs
Relationship.
on top of that. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if as because but whatever things were there in the list, most of the things are there to be transformed in my life. So in that case, what should I do? One by one to be manifested, or else at a time also I can manifest multiple things.
शिवाशीष जी हम ना एक स्किल की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे अभी ना एक
अच्छा।
एरिया उठाएंगे वी विल नेक्स्ट दिस एक हफ्ते के अंदर हम ये स्किल की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं ठीक है क्योंकि
Okay.
वो स्किल अगर आ गया ना तो उस स्किल को हम किसी भी एरिया में घुसा देंगे
Okay. Okay.
okay
Okay.
okay
अच्छा,
once we
समझ गया।
start हमें गाड़ी चलानी आ गई तो हम कोई भी गाड़ी चला लेंगे गॉट इट
तो हाँ समझ गया। एक्चुअली अब इसी के बारे में बोलना चाह रहे हैं कि अगर पूरा बेस अगर स्ट्रांग हो गया तो कहीं पे भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं उसको।
वो कहीं पे भी है, वो मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा अब अगर इफ आई विल इनवाइट यू टू कंटिन्यू दिस जर्नी विद मी ओके
या श्योर।
हम फिर एक एक एरिया उठाएंगे आपका हेल्थ एंड फिटनेस करियर इमोशंस इंटेलिजेंस योर पेरेंटिंग योर रिलेशनशिप योर लव रिलेशनशिप योर सोशल लाइफ योर रिलेशनशिप विद योर पेरेंट्स योर एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली एंड योर लाइफ
Yeah.
विजन वी विल पिक वन एरिया एंड वी विल डाइव इनटू दैट एरिया एंड वी उसकी सारी उधेड़ के उसको नया उसको बना के और फिर in less than an hour मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा when you continue this journey but right now this
Definitely.
workshop is all about practicing the skill learning
Practice
the
the
skill
skill.
yeah
Yes.
learn the skill practice करो learn करो understand करो कि यार ये क्या है मेरा belief और be honest give your 100% into it so guys thank you so much anyone
Thank you.
else
Thank you.
welcome Subhasish ji I already answered your question if you can see the recording but it is enough okay
Yeah.
How many of you are excited about the journey forward? Type yes in the chat box. कि यार क्या होने वाला है यार मेरी जिंदगी मजेदार होने वाली है. How many of you think that this is going to be this workshop is going to be to change my life? Type 1 in the chat box if you think that number 1. If you think this is going to transform your life, this workshop is going to really give you whatever you want in your life. Yeah. It will happen with your trust, with your belief. Okay. Guys, thank you so much. I love you. Ishwaraji, I really got that. I acknowledge each and every one of you again and really appreciate your courage. Very Shankaraji, very excited. So just keep on. If you've not done your assignments, complete them today because tomorrow you'll have another set of assignments. You will have another set of meditations. If you're not done it, please complete them today because it is going to really, you're going to rock, guys. You're going to create amazing results in your life. And if you win, I win. Okay? Guys, I want from you, what I want from you is what you want from yourself. Okay? जो तुम खुद के लिए चाहते हो मैं तुमसे वो चाहता हूं थैंक यू वेरी मच गाइस आई लव यू उदय जी नमस्कार नयन जी थैंक्स सो मच सलाखा जी यू वेलकम we will meet on Wednesday 8 p.m. again to answer your queries. We will have another question answer session on Wednesday. And then we will have another where I will invite, on Friday evening, I will share with you how to use this technology in 10 areas of your life. I will share with you the 10 areas of your life and we will do an amazing practice to continue this journey. I will invite you and we will move on Friday. And on Sunday morning, we will meditate together. We will together meditate. I'll share with you an amazing technology to really relax, to empty your mind for some time. Friday is recording session. Friday is also yeah, come live. I am going to give you an offer, and a once in a lifetime offer, Patel ji, on because only for people who will be live on Friday.